Alright, this one you're not going to get to see my face. We're doing a little drive and talk. Talk and drive? I don't know. But the important things here, I have realized you came up with a little saying, way of life. I don't know. Sorry about the bumpies. Still trying to figure out where to put the camera. But it popped in my head because someone was saying something. Oh, you're bumping into the steering wheel. How I make a lot of terrible decisions in life. And I was like, I always like that little thing Dom from Fast and Furious said. Live my life a quarter mile at a time. Well, I changed it to I live my life one questionable decision at a time. So we're going to talk about the next big one, and that is we are going to take that fifth wheel camper and turn it into a truck bed camper. Why would you do that, Joey? You'll like it. Well, number one, it is a piece of junk. Number two, the biggest issue is I couldn't get a title, I couldn't get a bill of sale, and so I can't get it registered, get plates or anything, so I can't really take it anywhere. So there's that. And then it turns out that truck bed campers are really expensive, like way more than this whole fifth wheel camper. So I did some measuring, and when I get back home I'll do a quick little video showing where I plan to chop it, tell you my little ideas. But it should fit with very minimal work onto the truck, and I'll just have to spend about $100 on truck bed camper jacks. It's $100 for 4 of them. I think it was on Amazon. They're manual, so it's gonna suck, but I shouldn't be taking it out and off that often. So that will be really awesome, and it'll be about the same size as any other truck bed camper that's solid sided and not a pop-up. I would like a pop-up because that's a lot better for travel days, a lot better for off-road travel. There we go, words sometimes hard. So yeah, that's gonna be that. I will see you after I finish up at my uncle's, after washing his driveway and running to the store since it's right there. So yeah, we'll see you in a little bit. Alright, to explain a truck bed camper for those that don't know, it's a camper that sits in the truck bed. But since I have a flatbed, I've got more room because I don't have the bedsides here and stuff. So what'll happen is this will be the main cabin area. Then I'll go up over the cab, like so, kinda. And this here will be the sleeping area. So it turns out to be really cool, way more portable. I can tow, because I'll still have Michael, the hitch, so I can still tow a boat, a car trailer, an enclosed trailer. I can tow anything, So that's the plan there. I'm gonna get this power washer off here, and then I'll bring it into the back and do some pointing and stuff with the big old camper and tell you what's up with that. All right, here we are in the back. Don't mind all of this. I do eventually want to get another camper to park here that's nicer. and that I could eventually take on trips. But yeah, this is what the plan is for now. Chop right before this window. That'll be about a foot of hang off on the flatbed. I do have to chop this up into here about 6 inches, and I think with the bottom or top of where the hitch connects there, the 5th wheel, I should be able to just cut it and put it on. I don't remember if that's including the frame down here, but I'm also thinking I gotta do some measuring to see how far I need. Michael, because I could turn this leftover trailer frame into a car hauler. And it's looking like cutting here would leave me quite a bit of frame there. And maybe if I bring it up this way up a little more, cut the frame here and use like 4x4s or something to extend it up, build a frame underneath it, you know, just ideas. But because I won't need these jacks here anymore, I'm gonna move the propane somewhere else. I'm thinking a water tank on that side, and on this side a generator. And then the stairs are right here. Taking the flappy door over there, turning this area into a bigger battery box, so I can have more than one battery, because right now there's just one and a bunch of wasted space under the steps. And moving the propane bottles into the corners, like one here and one on the other side, has 2 30 gallons instead of just 2 20s. And then for the back, I'm thinking about reusing this and moving it in, and then either having it so it folds down into a deck or folds up into kind of like an awning thing. But for the basic rebuild, just buzz right there, buzz along the other side and down, and the roof. Cut the back off, shorten it, bring it over here, and we'll be good. And cut the frame, and then get the set of 4 camper jacks and build some thingies for it. Quick ad, because I forgot. I'm thinking about moving these 2 windows into the bedroom on the front. So the one side here is angled. It'll be kind of like a little skylight during storms or nights or whatever. And the big one will probably go onto the back. All right. And if we go inside, it'll be about here, go down the floor, and right through about the middle of this window. And I'll have to do some measuring. And then I'll either move it up here, over here, move it just over, maybe over and up a little. But I plan on redoing all these walls, pulling all the electric out, redoing, well, the back, of course. And yeah, this is the stairs. Like I said, nothing under there except for one battery, so big waste of space. I'll probably take the big speakers out of here, knock down this wall. Still deciding, because I have the closet thing on there. And then what I'm thinking is stove, sink, fridge can all come over here. And then corner desk can go, no, that won't work because that side is so long. Maybe I'm gonna end up cutting the corner desk. I want to keep the corner desk though. Maybe it'll fit. No, I don't know. We got a lot of deciding to do. I might take the corner desk out of here and do something different. but I want to keep the big fridge, the sink, the stove, and then I'll figure out countertop space. But we're not gonna have a couch. I want to have a tiny single stall bathroom with some sort of toilet in there, wet bath, and the office area. So eventually we'll figure that all out. But that's my crazy ideas for now. And it should be fairly easy. Anyways, peace out.